Hello, this is Darryl Togashi. In this session, we will be talking about VirtualBox from Oracle. We'll show you how to look it up, download the installer, and then install the application on your desktop. So let's get started. Bring up a browser. We're using Chrome in this case, and type in Google, go to Google, and then type in VirtualBox download. When you hit enter, you'll hear a series of listing here. I usually go to the VirtualBox.org wiki downloads. On this page, you will see that there are several operating systems that it does support. You download the operating system that you are running on. We are running in Windows 10, so we'll choose Windows Host, but it also does Mac 10, does different Linux versions, and Solaris as well. So I'll choose the Windows there, and you'll see it's going to download. Well, this is a Chrome. Firefox, you'll see a download button over here, and you'll use it over here. Once it gets done downloading, we'll start the installation. Take the defaults, nothing really major need to be changed. Default there, and then once you're ready, start the installation and install. If you have your user access control turned on, you want to click yes, and then it'll complete the installation here. When it's finished, it'll show you this, and it says, do you want to start up VirtualBox? We'll say yes. We'll keep that check marked. And it comes up here. We had VirtualBox loaded on here previously before we had a Windows 10 image installed on there. So that's why that's showing up. Otherwise, this would be a blank area here. In another session, we will talk about actually creating images from ISOs or downloaded ISOs that you get from online for Linux and that using VirtualBox. But for this session, we are done. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful, and we'll talk to you soon.